a stitch going down here and a stitch coming back on it. So it making, you see, you're going to see a space here between there and there. Going through this.
The video running that, so.
Going through there. And then put and pull it through. You use this palm to the needle go in there, just protect your palm. It's called a palm so that you protect the palm.
Yeah, then when you want to force on the needle.
You come through here again. The other one go through by the go through, and so you have a continue. It's just like a machine, but you're doing it in manually. Right? Pull it tight. Every stitch you put, you have to pull it tight. Make sure that the thread even and pull tight. Come again. Underneath here, look for the space. You want no space on your face, right? Go in here. Right? In, pull tight. And go again. Get up here, go in. Yeah? Okay. Must
save the students.
Pull tight. Must pull tight.
Learning from the master.
Master Alfred McMillan. Years of experience in there. When you learn to do this sail repair?
When I was an apprentice,
that was what
when in 1968.
I was 4 years them time.
Yeah. Is this so you were not dreamt of it?
But that must be born yet.
Yeah. But don't worry, God knew. He said He knew you before you even formed in the womb. Okay, so God knew about you before, and planned for you to come here and learn to learn this skill from the master, the Caribbean's most experienced and best captain.
Yep.
Okay. What year you went off to
67, 967, June 1967.
I was 2 years old that time. Excellent. This is sailing vessel after hours. Repairing the sail, the top batten to make sure that under pressure the seam doesn't undo. And
See this
so
one?
use the palm has to push through there.
Through this.
Yeah.
Beaten stitch. Exactly with this stitch. Push him through.
Use the palm to push.
Needle bending.
Be careful, needle bending.
Needle
very,
bending.
Very tough.
Yeah. This it going
dark
through
run, huh? It's
yeah,
going through about 4 layers.
4 layers there.
Yeah.
So,
What else going to do? Something when you get to the areas, you take a little needle and just pound a hole in it.
Well, we have a needle that could do that and slide it. What I did, I went and stitched this on the I cord this piece.
Okay.
So I'm gonna bypass this and I'll go try and get underneath it here.
Okay, cool. So Shem, you're learning from the master, yeah? Okay.
Yep.
And right now we're in Cumberland Bay in St. Vincent.
When you're ready.
Yeah. Okay.